I guess it begins. Old Spice, Swagger, this is the lotion. Daily hydration, hand and body lotion. I kind of have notoriously dry hands, so we're gonna see, really gonna put this thing to the test.
Yeah, I just washed my hands, they're dry, so I'm gonna get it up in there actually.
I'm sorry. I never wear lotion.
This is Swagger, it's with argan oil. Let's give it a shot. Oh, that's unfortunate.
I am actually wearing Swagger deodorant right now.
Oh, wow.
Interestingly enough.
It is very oily. I think the argan oil is like, you know, some lotions are like really seep in. This one I didn't even use very much. It is very oily.
I like to go sparingly. You know. It's not absorbing very well.
This does feel particularly wet. Like, it's not like absorbing into my skin.
But they feel like almost too moist. Like I would slip out. Yeah.
Very oily.
Smell?
Oh, it smells pretty good.
It smells fine. It smells good actually. It's not very strong. I don't like a strong lotion. I don't like a strong scent. I don't like anything that's very strongly scented. Because I think I have a huge nose and a lot of the scents can just work right up, I think.
It smells like every single Old Spice product.
The almost generic old man, not old man, Old Spice smell, you know what I mean? The old generic old man smell.
Scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving it a 6. I think there's definitely room for improvement. I think we're gonna go up.
I would give it a 6 out of 10. Yeah.
Shea butter. I used to think that shea butter was shea butter.
Daily hydration shea butter?
I use shea butter leave-in conditioner, and I like that a lot. But again, does anybody know what shea butter actually is? Am I good to go?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's an African nut.
Oh.
Why does this keep happening?
Oh, a better smell.
Very good. I like shea butter.
That's strong with a K.
It's got a little bit more of an organic feel, smell. Like regular Old Spice scent is like so clean that it like it smells like chemicals kinda. Like they're good chemicals, but like it smells unreal. It smells a little more natural.
I should call her.
It does feel a lot lighter than the Swagger.
It feels a little creamier. I hate that word.
It's absorbing a lot better into my hands. Way less oily and snap a lot easier.
Really getting them, like really, it's kind of like going away, and instead of making my hands feel wet, they just feel soft. That's nice.
You could say I got too much, and you may be right, but I don't like this.
I like this one. I didn't really like the other one as much.
I just really like shea butter products in general. So this is the Old Spice Daily Hydration Hemp Seed Oil, all day relief from dry skin. I have no experience with anything hemp seed oil related.
Hemp seed oil. You know what that means. This is the weed lotion, guys. We got the weed lotion right here, look. Cannabis sativa seed oil.
No kidding, cannabis sativa seed oil. Couldn't smell weed, oddly enough. I was kind of hoping to.
Moisturize for those moisture vibes. That's good.
Oh. This is not good.
Ooh, there's something funky in there actually.
Oh, yeah, that's like...
Oh, I can't like place what it is.
It's a little... I don't know what the word is. You about to get
I was a little bit. That first whiff, I was like, hit me in the back of the throat.
rank dank McStank, if you know what I mean. It does still feel pretty oily. I'm not snapping as well. It doesn't pass the snap test.
What does that mean? You want to be able to snap better?
I want to be able to snap better.
And it's a little oily.
The texture-wise, a little bit oily, but not quite as oily as that first one that I tried.
Fun fact, actually, when I was like 12 and had really bad dandruff, I used to put hand lotion on my scalp. Just like lather it in there, and it didn't help any. It just made it really greasy.
I don't understand why you would seek out the hemp seed oil unless it has properties I'm unaware of.
I don't want this on me.
Vitamin E. Now, I don't know how vitamin E is like the main ingredient in the lotion. If these are supposed to be like what the lotion is, how it's just straight up vitamin E.
It says the skin is supposed to feel healthier. I want to know where the vitamin E comes from. Also, what is it?
I actually have vitamin E oil in like a little yellow tube, and it really works wonders if you have like cuts.
Okay, this one's liquidy. This one like is like pouring out.
I don't like the consistency one bit.
Is vitamin E flavor? I mean a scent?
Infused with vitamin E, as in vitamin, each pump of this lotion makes your skin look and feel healthier all day. That was tacky. That was cheap.
Each pump of this lotion, vitamin E, each pump of this lotion makes your skin look and feel healthier all day. Would you put it in your scalp?
I would maybe.
It's damp. It's a little wet.
It's not really absorbing well. I didn't put that much on, and it is taking. Like, I don't think this is gonna really soak in all the way. It's not passing the snap test.
No, I actually like this one a lot. It's not bad. It's lighter on the scent side.
I don't know what the scent is.
Honestly, for Old Spice, I would expect it to be scented better.
Okay. This one's kind of floral. I kind of like it. It smells fresh.
It says unscented on the bottle.
This one is also surprisingly oily.
I would definitely consider putting this in my scalp.
Hey, can I say something? I want to say something while I'm here in the studio. I don't understand why it says 24-hour moisture. Are you not going to take a shower or wash your hands in a 24-hour time period? That's like when deodorant says it has a 48-hour like smell good thing. Is that not redundant? I'm done. It's stupid. I don't get it. Take a shower. I've had some time to think about my actions, and I'm not sorry for anything I said. But I would give this a 7 out of 10.
Every time.
This is the. I want to say it's Fiji because it has the Fiji design. It is Fiji. That's crazy.
This one finally has like some branding going on. Come on, people. Old Spice is known for its branding, right? Great ads, awesome designs, like the themes. All of these have just been red. They've just been straight red bottles. This one says Fiji and it's got the beach on it. We're getting somewhere, people.
Tapioca starch. That's an essential.
Why settle for being hydrated for 1 hour when you can have 24-hour hydration? Why settle for a yacht when you can have a space boat? It's a good point, though.
Fun fact, my mom also tried to make me put coconut oil in my hair. I didn't entertain it.
All right, let me say something. I've decided I hate lotion. I hate lotion. I hate to feel what my hands are starting to feel like. I hated it from the beginning, but I was able to tolerate it.
I can't get a good read on this thing.
Now that we're on lotion number whatever, I am starting to hate it. I never use lotion.
I got a hint of freshness there, which is better than I've had all day.
Coconut oil usually has a pretty strong smell. Thought I'd be able to sniff that out.
I would plug this into my routine. I have nothing against this.
For an oily one, like it's got oil in the title, I think that it is one of the better grippy ones. Like it's not leaving me feeling so moist and damp.
I'm a big coconut man. Love the smell of coconut. And maybe I'm being too harsh, but I'm not getting a lot of coconut from this.
Yeah, I like that smell.
I'm just kind of savoring this. I like it.
I feel kind of bad because I'm about to rate this really low, even though it's probably equal to the others, but my hatred for lotion has grown since then. Thanks for watching us lotion ourselves. I'm gonna start that over.
Thank you for watching me moisturize. If you want to see some other Old Spice reviews, just check out the channel.
Click the bell.
If you want to see more Old Spice product reviews, click this link that's supposed to be up here somewhere. Or just check out the channel. We got deodorant, we got shampoo, we got body wash coming up maybe. No body wash yet. Cut, let me try again.
Subscribe. Pew pew.
Squabble out.
This is a Squabble Studios production.
Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more lotion content or shampoo or any other Old Spice stuff, we got a lot on the channel. Let us know. Go ahead and comment. It's really moving down my hand. Let us know what you want to see next. Old Spice or not Old Spice, we can make whatever we want. And we have unlimited funds thanks to our brand new sponsor. It's me. I'm in debt. I can't stop. No! May I? Am I allowed?
No.
I'm sorry. Just a little.
That's voice. Do it. Oh yeah.
Can I go home now? Let's not.